When I first got here, there was a wall right here. The stairs were 30 inches wide and stupid steep up to that 10-foot ceiling. We ripped out this wall, non-bearing, ripped out the wall that used to be bearing there, built in all these steps with the half bath underneath here. This is all rebuilt out of original wood from the house. That's leaded glass. That was originally part of one of the windows. Whoever JP is cared to leave his initials 113 years ago. So of course we put it back for another 100 years. Toilet for my buddy Josh, good looking out. These railings, I cut the notches off the old stringers, sanded them up, routed them up. They're only temporary, but she loves them. Wouldn't be surprised if there's something similar ends up staying. And yeah, now we have an actual 11 by 7 1/8 inch rise where you can comfortably walk up and down these stairs. Custom cut corbel, drawn by my son-in-law, cut by me. This is lagged like 10 motherfuckers right in here. Ain't never going nowhere. That riser is right there, gonna be put in after the bullnose. And we took that door out to put it here. Pretty damn cool, I think. This house was built 113 years ago and shipped by rail. It used to be the railroad boss's house. And now, it's building a new legacy. How many times you seen detail like this put into this sort of thing? Doggy door. This is all going to be doggy hut where they could chill out. Of course, all this floor was replaced. Had to be. The original fir floor was rotten. Pretty awesome stuff, man.